The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be Samsung's next big flagship, reaching shelves in early 2025. As the successor to one of the best Android phones available today, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will face the difficult task of recapturing the enchantment with surgical refinements and updates. Even though the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is still in its early stages of development, we have a good understanding of a few crucial features. And for the things we're not sure of, we can make educated assumptions based on previous trends. We expect the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to have a sturdy and premium titanium build, as well as Corning's glare-free glass on the front. Appearance-wise, it will most likely follow the mainly flat appearance of its predecessor, with a built-in S Pen and IP68 water and dust protection. The display size may remain 6.8 inches, and it will almost surely have a dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a super smooth 1 to 120 Hz screen refresh rate. Hopefully, Samsung will increase the maximum brightness even further to improve visibility outdoors. In terms of performance, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will almost certainly be powered by Qualcomm's forthcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU. There's always the possibility that this processor will only be available in the United States, leaving room for an Exynos version elsewhere, but that seems improbable. In terms of battery life, we want to get more out of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but due to size constraints, we aren't expecting a substantially larger battery. We'd appreciate quicker wired charging, but 45V charging support may return. We expect the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to cost the same as the current model. The Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,300 for the 256GB variant and goes up to $1,660 for the 1TB model. Now, let's dig further into all of the rumors regarding the impending Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You may also view all of the known information on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25. Samsung might take one of two approaches with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra: increase the price or keep it the same. Given that the current Galaxy Ultra model received a $100 price hike this year, we find it impossible to think that Samsung will pursue another price increase for the second year in a row. If prior Galaxy launches are any indication, there may be several ways to save on the impending Galaxy S25 Ultra. How? You can either trade in a gadget or pre-order the phone. US carriers often provide very good prices and bonuses on the new Samsung flagships. When it comes to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's safe to assume that AI will play an even larger role in mobile photography and filmmaking. This year, Samsung leaned heavily on artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve its photography game with its top-tier camera phone. As if that weren't enough, we may also expect the standard software adjustments and image processing algorithm upgrades that occur each year. We witnessed enhanced low-light image quality, much increased image stabilization for shake-free shots and videos, improved portraiture, and some clever upscaling that provided 100x space zoom even without the 10x periscope camera. Samsung may use a 1-inch 200 megapixels ISO image sensor for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's main camera. In the realm of cameras, the larger the sensor, the better, so we're very excited. The upgraded ISO sensor, including 0.8 pixels, dual pixel autofocus, and in-sensor crop zoom, has the potential to significantly improve the flagship's photography quality and clarity, particularly in low-light circumstances. We believe, and rumors confirm, that Samsung will use the same camera arrangement as the previous iteration. To refresh your memory, here's the camera setup from the previous one, laid out on the table. The Galaxy S25's design will be inspired by the Note 7. Samsung intends to modify the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra from its predecessor. The most noticeable feature is the outside design. Instead of the square design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra is rumored to have soft curved corners, similar to the Galaxy Note 7. This modification promises to provide a more comfortable grip while addressing the design flaws of the previous iteration. However, switching to a curved design may have an impact on battery size and S Pen support. As a result, many consumers are curious about how Samsung will improve these features on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to numerous sources, Samsung will continue to use a flat screen for the Ultra Edition, resulting in a sharp and realistic visual experience. I previously mentioned this in the last video. Next, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery size and charging speed will be the same as its predecessor. We expect Samsung to include a 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, owing to size constraints. However, if the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 proves to be efficient enough, we may see an increase in battery life. Furthermore, a fresh rumor says that Samsung may offer a function called Battery AI. This feature is believed to add 5% to 10% of the phone's runtime. We hope the Galaxy S25 Ultra charges faster than its predecessor, which was 45-watt wired. While neither the Galaxy S24 Ultra nor the Galaxy S23 Ultra charged slowly, both reach peak IP in about 1 hour. There is always space for improvement. Hopefully, Samsung will consider introducing quicker wireless charging to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which currently charges at up to 15 watt with an official charger. As previously said, we are almost confident that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which will be manufactured by TSMC and revealed later this year. We expect this to be Qualcomm's first 3nm chip, matching the Apple A17 Pro in this important measure. We've also heard that Samsung may adopt a MediaTek chipset in some Galaxy S25 models. Even if that happens, which we doubt unless there is more evidence, we believe the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not be one among the models to employ that chipset. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. See you tomorrow. Peace out.